daddy? No. Mommy, of course. Who are you? My name is Jimson. And I'm a party host magician. Really? You're a magician? Yes, look at my outfit. Wow, I thought you're a technician. I'm not a technician. I want you to say hi to them. To them. Wow! Wait a minute. Where are we? Look, there's so many people. We're here at SM. There's a lot of kids, oh. No idea where we now. Orphanage. No, we're here at your birthday party. The reason that they are here because they love the celebrant. Wow. By the way, can you introduce yourself right now? Yes, okay. Saan? Dito. Okay. Dito? Opo. Okay. Are you sure? Yes, okay. What I'm gonna do? Introduce yourself like my name is Jimson. My name is Jimson. That's my name. Already called you name at the backstage. Okay. My name, very good, is very good. Very good. My name is very good. Your name is not very good. Okay, my name is very bad. Stop! Don't you know your name? I forgot eh. You forgot? Yeah. Listen I want you to remember your name while touching your head. Do you feel it now? Yeah. What do you feel? Makati. Stop. I'm not gonna touch your head now, okay? Okay. Now concentrate, and remember your name. Concentrate. What are you doing? Concentrate. 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 Alam ko na. Ano yung pangalan mo? Concentrate. Hindi concentrate ang pangalan mo. Listen ha. Okay, got it. My name is Tantan. Everybody say hi, Tantan. Tantan? Ilang taong ka, Tantan? How about your middle name? Tantan. How about your last name? Tantan. So what is your full name? Tantan. Happy birthday. Stop! Tantan! Ilang taong ka na? 11. Anong gusto mo paglaki mo? Dinosaur. Pagpalaki ka na. I want to be a policeman. Wow. What does a policeman do? They're catching a dog. They're catching criminals. Very good. Like you. Stop! Tantan. No. Tantan, do you want to see some magic? Magic? Yes, okay. Face that way. And tumingin ka sa mga daliri ko. Tumingin ka sa mga daliri ko. Tantan, what do you see? Dirty. One more, Tumingin ka sa mga daliri ko. Makakatulog ka. Ha! 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 He will never wake up because I'm using a magic spell. Hindi na siya... Why? It's moving? Okay, please tell me if it's moving, I will give you a chocolate, okay? He will never... No, hindi na siya... Hindi na siya... Stop! Stop. Tantan! Listen, Listen. You know what, kids? Every time I do a puppet show, they always think that there's a battery inside the puppet. Especially the toddlers. They think that there's a tape recorder. But the truth is, I'm also the one who's talking for him. What I'm doing right now, kids, is what we call ventriloquism. From the Latin word ventro, which means talking from the diaphragm. Dito galing yung boses. Saan? Dito. Yan? Oo. Ang laki na tiyan Pag wala ako, hindi siya nakakapagsalita. Pag wala ako, nagsasalita ako mag-isa. Pag wala ako, wala siyang buhay. Pag wala ako, wala kang hanap buhay. Stop! Tantan, we don't have much time now. You need to say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oo.
Bye-bye.
And bow.
Ha?
Bow.
Bow.
1, 2, 3, bow.
1, 2, 3.
No. Kakantaan mo na lang si Jeso.
Nang ano?
Ng happy birthday.
Nang ano?
Happy birthday.
Ayan.
Ayun no.
Hi, Jesu. Kilala ko yun eh.
Kilala mo si Jeso?
Oo, kaklase ko.
Kaklase mo siya?
Opo, lagi niya kinukuha yung baong ko.
No. Kakantaan mo na si Jeso.
Nang ano?
Ng happy birthday.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday wish.
Jesu, happy birthday. I wish that all your dreams come true. God bless you and your whole family.
Okay, dito ka na.
Saan?
Dito.
Teka lang.
Bakit? Namulutang ako. Dito ka na.
Saan?
Dito.
Diyan?
Oo.
Ayaw ko dyan.
Bakit?
Walang ilaw. Walang wifi. Walang aircon. Walang Netflix.
Dito ka na.
Teka lang.
Bakit?
May sasabihin ako eh.
Kanino?
Kay Sean.
Kilala mo si Sean?
Oo.
Ano sasabihin mo kay Sean?
Sean! Minsan laro tayo
Sa kayo maglalaro,
dito sa loob.
ano lalaruin nyo?
Roblox. Tsaka basketball.
Dito ka na.
Saan? Dito. Dahan-dahan lang
Oo.
Nakaraan naipit ako eh. Dahan-dahan lang.
Oo.
Aray!
Bakit?
Yung balat. Dahan-dahan lang
Oo.
Teka lang.
Bakit?
Ang laki-laki ng kinikita mo, dito mo ko nilalagay.
Thank you! You want more? Yes! Now what? Oh. What? Say hi! Very good. Hi! Where's good, Desu? Desu, come! Okay, go back to your place. 1, 2. Hi, Desu. Okay, go back to your seat. 1. Try to the camera, Desu. It's okay. Relax, Jesu. Relax. Wait your mommy, ma'am. Relax. Come. Ready, mommy? 1, 2, 3, smile! Smile! Thank you! Who's next? You! Okay, kids, go back to your seat. I will call your name. Wow! 1, 2, 3, smile!